So you're here at Rage of the River, going back to your roots, huh, buddy?
Yeah, back in Laughlin, back in the Ranger, old door slammer. Spec truck's still getting repaired from the little incident at the SNORE race earlier in the year, but we have the Ranger and we're here to put in a battle with Eisenhower and with all the other guys that are here, and let's hope she does good. We haven't really gave her a nice full prep like she deserves, but the Ranger will pull through and we will finish, hopefully. Don't make me eat my words, but other than that though, yeah, Jacob's riding with me, my middle child's riding with me. Daniel's out of commission, as you can see. But we're here to see if we can put the old Ranger on the box. MCC, KMC, and thanks for everyone else, ODR Roy, Mom, Dad, thank you.
Hey, what are we doing here, buddy?
Working on the Ranger. I kind of did a boo-boo and I broke it. Upper link is broken. Happened on the first lap. I think I got a little squirrely on the boom bumps and it kind of put a load on it and we broke it. And I'm kind of bummed, but let's get it fixed and let's see where we're at for day 2. And I'll give Jacob a good ride that he deserves. But other than that, hey, we're safe and we didn't roll on the moon bumps and I thought I was going to lose it. But thankfully we made it and we're back at camp and let's get this thing fixed. Day 2, Rage at the River. We finished. We started really far back on the last row, and we picked through most of the field. I think Darren was the only one in front of us. Maybe on corrected time, but it sucks. We got a bump the A1. So, well, we'll be out there though next year. See you guys for 2023.